Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and right now we're doing Reef. It's down by like 7-8%, but it's still looking very nice, and I'm gonna explain to you why. And for you new guys, welcome to the channel. We do on this channel out of altcoins. You can check out the channel page, and you know, this is just one of 10 videos I do a day. Right now we're gonna try to do 10 videos today. Besides that, we got a nice Telegram group, a nice bunch of people, very positive, very optimistic, but sometimes they do panic because they're looking at 5-minute and 15-minute charts. So I'm trying to teach them to not do that. Also check out the Patreon page where we do have a daily altcoin video every single day, 50 altcoins, rank them up real nice. So if you have trouble picking the coins or something like that, that might be something for you. That said, that out of the way, let's go into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, and see what's actually happening. So we're gonna talk about this red candle up here and how positive that candle actually is and can be at the end of the day. Now when you look at the chart like this, right, it's hard to actually tell what's actually happening, so you gotta have some kind of lines, you know. And on this channel we are actually good at that, so you know, bam, lines. So okay, it's only 2 lines, but there were more before, but I removed them because noise. That said, let's look at what's actually happening here. You can see here that the upper line is resistance line and the bottom line is the support line. So the price is moving inside this triangle, right? And soon it's gonna choose the side up or down. Now I'm leaning more towards the upside because you know the bull run, this should go on the upside, not yet finished bull run and stuff like that. This target up here, 0.078, that's the target from the triangle. So basically the distance on the triangle from the breakout is gonna hit somewhere around there. That's only the first target. This is not gonna stop here. Once it hits this, is gonna continue further up, but it's just only one resistance on the way up. So we gotta hit that before we actually go further up. So what's actually happening out here, and even though you've got some kind of lines, you need more lines, and right now we're gonna pop some moving averages. So you can see here on the chart that these lines up here, those are the moving averages, and this is the 10, 20, and 50 moving average. This one down here is 100 moving average. So if we start falling below this triangle, and we will look for support at 100 moving average. But we are not that bearish. We don't think we're gonna get to those levels there. Anyways, let's zoom into the chart and actually see what's actually happening right here. So we're gonna talk about these couple of last days. So up here, down here, we went all the way down below the moving averages. Tried to get on the side. This was very bullish actually, because we could not break the support on the bottom side. We could not break support. Not only do we get back to the moving average, we went back above them, and that's a very bullish sign. So when the price goes below the moving averages and try to break the support and cannot break the support and goes right back up again, that's a bullish sign. That's a bullish sign. So that's a bullish sign. We got above the moving average, very bullish. Tried again to break it down on downside. Nope, not doing that. That's very bullish. Now we are all the way up here testing the resistance, and it's because this is resistance. Now testing resistance. Now it's want to go down, right? It wants to try to go down again, but the moving averages are holding the support, and that's very, very bullish as well. So even though we are down, okay, now it's like 5% or something like that, but we are all the way down like 7-8%, like at the start of the video, something like that. And as long as we keep above the moving average at the end of the day, that's a very, 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 very bullish sign for a Reef. I don't know how to explain to you how bullish that is. Now this might continue for a few more days. I'm not saying that it can't. First of all, this is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and this is Monday. So 2 more days, maybe sideways moves before we kick out on the Monday. Why on the Monday should we kick out? Well, there is something about these now technically on the Reef we actually can just start booming now. Like there is no problem. I think there is no problem. Let me just see. Yeah, there is no problem on the Reef. There is no problem. We can just go up to date. It doesn't matter. I think the price is just a little bit low right now because you know, we are waiting for the right moment. But as you can see on the weekly chart, we are holding this 10 moving average, which is very, very positive. And we see this all the time on the daily altcoin video on the Patreon. Like when we go through the altcoins, right? A lot of altcoins have this weekly all the way down, and they still go pumping, but they don't pump that much. The best case scenario is having this 10 moving price ride this 10 moving average exactly before it breaks out, because then you have the most chance of the biggest upside, right? So this looks very nice, very positive, very good. Right now it's minus 7%, so you see the volatility here is kind of high. It's trying to break it, but the support down here is so strong that it just cannot break it. So the 10 moving average is actually holding very nicely. We have this rubber band index. Now we only started getting a rubber band index on this candle up here, but right now it's sitting at 66, which is very, 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 very low. So Reef looks very good for a very big pump, a very big move, and it's gonna happen once it gets out of this triangle up here, and that should maybe in 2 days, maybe in 3 days, maybe all the way up here. Like the furthest this can go is I think 28 April, but will it really go for like 2 more weeks? I don't think so. I think it's just gonna go for a couple more days and it's get out. So when it gets out, the first thing we wanna see is some kind of retest here, or some 4-hour time frame or something like that, before it actually continues up. Let's see how this rubber band index is looking on the daily chart. You can see this one down here. That's the rubber band index. It's like a rubber band, like it extends a knot. Right now it's sitting at 49, exactly in the middle over here. So we can stretch this all the way up to the 90 levels. Once we start going up, this can be stretched all the way up to the 90 levels. You can see here when we going first time up, we went all the way to 79 and then kind of stopped, which was actually quite a bad run for anything. And right now we are looking to get higher than this one, get higher than 79 above. So we can extend this rubber band quite high. And the MACD also looks very bullish because we got this bullish cross going on. So hopefully we won't get any kind of bearish cross right here. But like I said yesterday as well, these are converging. So it looks bullish. It looks very nice. All in all, Reef looks extremely good, extremely good. So even though people might be panicking because of 5 to 10% drop, and if you didn't have any of these indicators or lines on the screen, you probably wouldn't know what's actually happening. Like when you see the big drop, I don't think you can see it's above this, but usually people are looking at this on the 1 hourly chart and like seeing big drops, and then I panic, you know. So anyways, if you're interested in learning more about altcoins, seeing what's good, what's not, because that's what we do on this channel, you might want to stop by Patreon. Maybe 50 altcoins every single day. And yesterday I was talking about Doge, you know, because Doge was pumping what to do and what not to do, when is bull run gonna end, and the 50 altcoins we are doing daily. That's said, guys. That's said. Check out the Telegram as well. Nice bunch of people. Panicking sometimes, but nice bunch of people. Subscribe to the channel. We just got 10k subs. Thanks everybody for subscribing. You are great, and you are helping me grow the channel before the bear market, where I need to survive on the crusts of my subs. You gotta joke a little bit while you're happy in the bull run, right? That said, like the video because YouTube algorithm likes, so help the small channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.